Pelinal Whitestrake is a time-traveling cyborg. Alduin grew weak because of his arrogance.
Technological progress deliberately stifled.
Technological progress is deliberately stifled. Titus Mede Roman II hired assassins to target himself.
The Greybeards got their name because they choose to grow old.
The Greybeards got their name because they choose to grow old.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.